Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about briefly the branches of internal iliac artery. Okay, so the internal iliac artery is arising from the common iliac artery. So the common iliac artery is in turn a branch of abdominal aorta. Now see here, common iliac artery is dividing into external and the internal iliac artery. External iliac artery has two important arteries, that is the deep circumflex iliac and inferior epigastric artery. Okay, so the inferior and the superior epigastric artery, as we know in the anterior abdominal wall, they are going to form the anastomosis. End arteries will be formed. And we have this deep circumflex iliac. From this, the inferior epigastric will be coming actually. Okay. Now, if we consider the internal iliac artery, in that two divisions are there. We have the anterior and the posterior division. Now, coming to the arteries of anterior division, we have the superior vesicle, obturator, uterine, inferior vesicle, middle rectal, inferior gluteal and internal pudendal artery. I repeat, this is very important. Please remember these anterior posterior division branches. Alright, got it? So we have the superior vesical artery again, obturator artery, uterine, inferior vesicle, middle rectal, inferior gluteal and internal pudendal artery. Now coming to the posterior part of the internal iliac artery, we have the iliolumbar, the superior gluteal and the lateral sacral arteries. So briefly coming to the clinical importance of this common iliac or internal iliac artery will be during the pregnancy. So during the pregnancy, what can happen is when the delivery of the baby is happening, like after the 9 months complete, it's time for the parturition. So that time when the baby delivery is happening, bleeding happens. Bleeding will happen with pain, right? So that bleeding is because of this artery only. The common iliac artery is causing that bleeding in the placenta. Okay, so that's briefly the clinical significance of common iliac artery. So if the question will be the common iliac or internal iliac, please write the same answer. Either you, even if you get common or internal iliac, the same answer, please write it. Got it? Got it, guys? Okay. So that brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.